Alright, so what I'm going to do today, as far as the upgrade to the QH13R, is I'm going to seal off between the cab and the motor with some sponge window seal that I got. I think that this will help tremendously with the fumes that come into the cab. Like I said, there's gaps that are right here all the way around. I'm going to make sure I fill those, and also I probably am going to fill all around, all the way down the gaps, just to seal out any fumes from coming back in. So that being said, this is part 1, and I'll come back with part 2, and we'll see how it goes.